Hello, I'd like to quickly go over part 2 of the writing project, Critical Incidents. It's a reflection paper. You see it's rolled out September 23, or you could have started to work on it actually any time, and it's due week 8. If you scroll down, I give you a little description of a reflection paper, which is basically what it says it is. You're thinking about what's going on and how you feel about it, how it's impacting you. Now, a critical incident is any event that be stressful for you, that can overwhelm you at work. They can be very abrupt, something that suddenly happens and you have to deal with it, and you deal with it out of the ordinary. So these are the topics that we have considered thus far. Okay? You can take any two of these, it's up to you. And you're going to write a 10 to 12 page reflection paper. Font size 12, single spaced, page number at the bottom. And I give you the 3 steps. Just describe it and why you thought it was significant and what you think the underlying causes were or issues that surfaced as a result of whatever happened to you. And does that influence your behavior as you go forward? Did it create a dilemma for you into what to say or do? And what was the first thing, typo, you thought to say and do, or do? And then list 3 other actions that you might have taken and you think would have been the best response. I'm just saying headings and subheadings. The headings, and then a mind map of your thought processes. Now, the most successful mind maps that I've seen have been students who actually draw it by colored pencils and attach it to the document, or take a photo of the document, of the mind map, and attach it. Whatever you wish to do. You can see how I've organized the points. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm always available.